Hello, today we're unboxing and showing you guys this video doorbell kit. You got a finger password, pin password, video, app control, and so much more. So let's open this up. Just show you guys everything that you get within this kit. Here's your manual and all your instructions. So here you got your keypad, backup battery, be careful you don't lose anything. So we'll explain this a little bit more as we get onto the whole unit here. Alright, so this is going to be on the outside of your door. Here's your camera lens. So basically how this is going to work, you're going to take your whole entire door frame assembly off. So make sure you take your frame assembly off. What you're going to do is take this piece right here, this metal piece, and what we want to do is we're going to feed, let's see here, we're going to feed the cables. All right, so we need to move these cables around here, and we're going to feed them right through in here, so in this little spot here, and we're going to feed the little, let's just call it the little stick. We're going to feed that for right now. And then as you can see here, once we get it on, you're going to line these up, and there's going to be your bolt holes. So you're going to place this through the door. This is going to be on the other side, keep that in mind. So this piece is going to go in through your door. So you'll put this through your door first. So you put this through your door, the hole in your door after you took off your knob. Put this whole thing through, and then this comes from on the inside and goes through like we showed you. And once you do that, all this bracket and this is on the inside, and you're just going to line that up. After you connect, make sure you connect your cables right in there and in here. So right there and there, you're going to connect them. Then you're going to place this in, and all this in the center here is going to be inside your door. And then you can go from there. It's really not as hard as it sounds. I know it sounds much harder. So here's your Chime. Nice thing about the Chime is you can put this on a laptop. Anything with a USB power that gives constant power, you guys can set your Chime up. You can get your brackets, screws, and all that fun stuff in there. Let's take a look here. Alright, so you got your deadbolt in there as well. Deadbolt and all those brackets. We're going to keep these here for now so we don't lose them. Let's set this here so we don't lose it. And here's your other option with the handle. Again, they supply you everything you need. You just need to simply take the time to install it. And don't rush it, just take your time. So, handle, if you're doing the handle route, it's gonna work the same way. You're gonna line it up. Overall, definitely looks like nice quality as well. So it looks like a really nice kit. There's your other deadbolt and lock. Yeah, very nice kit, guys.